Looking for a graphics card that offers solid performance without the high price tag? The EVGA model with a real boost clock of 1830 MHz and 6144 MB of GDDR5 memory might be just what you need. It's designed to deliver smooth gameplay and crisp visuals, making it a smart choice for gamers on a budget. One standout feature is the dual-fan cooling system. It not only keeps the card running cooler during intense sessions but also significantly reduces noise. That means you get a quieter gaming experience without sacrificing performance, which matters if you spend long hours in front of your screen. EVGA's Precision X1 software is another highlight. This easy-to-use tuning utility lets you monitor your graphics card and overclock it like a pro. Just remember to avoid unofficial software to keep your system stable and secure. With this tool, you have full control over your card's performance and can customize settings to fit your needs. Users across the United States have praised this card for its reliability and value. One reviewer mentioned it was a perfect upgrade for a family member's desktop, handling older games smoothly with no stuttering or frame drops. It's clear this card excels at delivering consistent, budget-friendly graphics performance. For gamers looking to play AAA titles or work on video projects, this EVGA card offers impressive power. Another user highlighted its ability to run large games with minimal lag and excellent graphics quality. If you want a dependable RTX card that doesn't empty your wallet, this one is worth considering. What you get is a graphics card that balances affordability with strong capability. It's not just for casual gaming. It can handle demanding tasks and deliver great visuals, making it versatile for different users. Whether you're upgrading an older system or building a budget rig, this card provides solid value. If that's you, someone who wants good performance without overspending, this EVGA graphics card deserves a closer look. Its combination of cooling efficiency, software control, and user approval makes it a reliable option in its class. Try it when you're ready to elevate your gaming or creative setup. In the end, this EVGA card proves you don't have to pay a premium to enjoy smooth gameplay and strong graphics performance. It's a smart pick for anyone balancing quality and cost, delivering what matters most: power, quiet operation, and user-friendly features.